Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, we're going to see how to use Image Playground on iOS 18. First thing you're going to have to remember is that you have to be on iOS 18.2 or above, and you have to have Apple Intelligence to have an iPhone that supports Apple Intelligence. So number one, open up your setting application on your iPhone, go into your general settings here, click on software update, and just make sure you're on iOS 18.2. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max. It doesn't support it on my phone, but let me still continue with the tutorial. Now, next up, you also want to make sure you have Apple Intelligence turned on. So click on Apple Intelligence, make sure it's turned on, and make sure you have the Image Playground option enabled, which you should probably already have it enabled at this point. So now that we have those things, we can go and make our way over into our Playground application. So you can search for the Playground app. When you go and scroll down, you can just search for Playground. So now what you can do is you can kind of configure this whichever way you want to. So number one, what you can do is you can go through if you want to describe an image or add or whatever, you can go and click at the bottom right and you can start describing the image. So if I wanted to say like a bird, smiling, I kind of say that over and over again. If you go and do that and type that, and you will see that this particular thing, Playground, will go and start creating an image, and it will be like a very, like, I guess, artistic image what I just described. So you can see this one. So there's a lot of other options I can kind of choose from. So that's basically how it's done, and that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my outro channel.